It's the annual grooming that I get every time I come back.
You're not clean.
I don't know why I washed my hair yesterday.
You're just not clean.
He's purring. What are you doing? Oh, there's the little kitty. Hello, littlest kitty.
Big.
Ow, Scout.
You're a good girl.
No, it's clean. I promise, Scout.
I'm making some appetite. Everything's vegetarian.
He's just really going for it.
Okay, the soup is on. Making a little bit of.
Ow!
Gracie, who's that? Oh, he's so happy.